Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Baignoire watch in yellow gold with a leather strap, reference WGBA0041. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, where it stands in the lineup of other similar Baignoires. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. Finally, try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little history. Cartier has been around for more than 100 years. They have a lot of different collections, one of which is their Baignoire, which is delineated by this oval shape. And in fact, this design has been out since 1912, which makes it over 100 years old. And the first time it was developed for the Grand Duchess of Russia. At least that's what it says on the internet. So then it was refined over the years, and it was given the name Baignoire in 1973, and basically it's stuck ever since. And so they have a lot of different variations of the Baignoire. They are one of the only, I can't actually even think of another brand that does this oval shape. Some Richard Mille does a tonneau shape, Jaeger-LeCoultre does a rectangular shape, and some do other squares and whatever, but no one else does an oval shape. You would think that they would, but they don't. So the Baignoire has really gone on to be actually a smash hit, and almost all Baignoires sell really close to retail, if not at retail, or even some even sell more. But by the way, if you want to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com. Okay, and by the way, this watch is retailing for $9,000 at the Cartier boutique, but I believe we're selling for a little bit less than that at jazztime.com, and we have it in stock. It's the Mini model, by the way, Mini, the smallest one. So it's a very cute Baignoire watch on leather strap. So with that said, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, they make a lot of different Baignoires. They make, as you can imagine, they do a lot of different variations. They do the normal oval style that you see. They make it on different materials like yellow gold, rose gold, and they make it with the gold bracelet, or they make it on leather strap. But they also make other variations of it. It's a bigger, sort of a bigger oval, and it has diamonds on the bezel. They do it with different color straps. They do it with, they have another variation of the Baignoire. I'm going to pronounce it wrong probably, Alongi or Alongue. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it looks like a Baignoire that's kind of been stretched out, and that one has diamonds, and it's just another variation of the Baignoire design, which basically is an oval design. So there's a lot of different variations of it. This is probably the most basic one, which is not a bad thing because it's also the cheapest one, I think. So it's at $9,000 retail. Okay, let's start talking about the watch itself. All right, now that we've gotten that out of the way. This is the Mini model, so there's nothing smaller. It's a cute little watch that not all that expensive if you're comparing it to watches. Okay, it's 18 karat gold, the head of the watch, the circular part, and it's made of yellow gold. And also it has this blue, it's called a sapphire cabochon. And this is signature Cartier. The Baignoire is no different. And I think that's pretty cool, if you ask me. It has this oval shape on it, but it kind of looks like a donut, you know? The bezel kind of folds in on itself, which I guess that leads me to the next part of this. The bezel doesn't have any diamonds on it, but the bezel is part of the case. You don't really see that. Usually the bezel is something that's added on to the case as sort of an extra part of the case, or another part of the case. In this case, it's all part of the same thing. The case and the bezel are all melded into one, and you have this sort of donut-looking shape onto it. And yeah, I think it looks pretty darn cool, if you ask me. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, that is the case and the bezel, all in yellow gold. The length of it going from top to bottom is actually only 25 millimeters. So that's about the size of a smallest date chest. It's actually even smaller. A small date chest is 28. This is 25. It's a little smaller. And the width is only 19 millimeters, and the thickness is only 7 millimeters. So it's really quite a small watch. And that's the reason why it's called a Mini. Makes sense, right? Okay, so that is the case. Now let's look at the dial. Dial it uses their traditional look, which is simply a white dial. They call it actually a silver dial, but it looks white. And they have Roman numerals and this blue sword hands to match the blue cabochon on the crown. So that's a pretty typical Cartier look. It's not that special, but it is very beautiful. Let's look at the bracelet now. The bracelet is just going to be on a leather strap. It's going to have a pin buckle. The leather straps over some time can kind of get worn out, so you can swap them. You can either put it on the alligator large squares, or the sort of I guess it would be a calfskin sort of small hammered. I don't know how you would describe this. They call it a black varnished calfskin strap. I don't think that really describes it very well, but it's basically like a hammered look to it. Also pretty unique and pretty cool if you ask me. Okay, and let's look at the movement here. Now the movement is going to be a quartz movement. You can't see it anyways. The quartz movement allows the watch to keep time without having to change and do any kind of service to it, and it stays on for several years. So that's another good thing about it. Okay, so that there you have it. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. My thoughts are this is a great watch to get for the price. It's a piece of history, and it's also a very beautiful watch. It's very classy. Women can wear it with dresses, and to me, it's a dress watch. You don't wear this with like shorts and t-shirt or something. This is something that you wear, in a nice dress setting. And it's a very elegant watch. So look, if you want to buy this at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description. We'd love to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.